My grandfather was born in Singapore. He talked about the food every Sunday. Now I go. I go to eat his food. I research every hawker center, every food. I write a big list. Grandfather, I eat everything for you. Singapore Airlines to Singapore. 13 hours on the plane. My grandfather's home is waiting for me. I am ready. Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight to Singapore. Thank you so much. Chicken rice on the plane. This is my grandfather's most favorite food. I taste it now for the first time. It is perfect. Tamil. My grandfather's language is on every sign here. Changi Airport has 4 languages. Tamil is one. I feel him very near now. Kaya toast and soft egg and kopi. Grandfather ate this every morning in Singapore. The kaya is green and sweet. The egg is warm. This is his breakfast. Now it is my breakfast too. Singapore shophouses. Every building is a different color. Blue, green, red, yellow, pink, and red lanterns above. This street is so beautiful I want to cry a little. Sri Mariamman Temple, oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. My grandfather prayed here every week. I take off my shoes. I come inside. I say thank you, Tata. Watch the roti prata man. He throws the dough in the air. So fast, so thin. I eat this with 3 different curries. Grandfather loved prata every morning for 60 years. This taste. This is the taste from his stories. Flaky bread, rich curry. Every Sunday he talked about this taste. Now I understand. I understand completely. Singapore MRT. So clean and so cold inside. After the hot street, the cold train is perfect. They announced the station in Tamil too. Every time I hear Tamil, I smile. The National Orchid Garden. 10,000 orchids after famous people. Every orchid is different and beautiful. Singapore loves orchids. So do I now. Marina Bay Sands. 3 towers with a ship on top. The ship has a swimming pool. How does Singapore build this? Only Singapore can do this. I swim in a pool 57 floors above Singapore. The city is far below me. The pool goes to the edge of the building. I am swimming in the Singapore sky. Supertrees. They are not real trees. They are metal and concrete with plants growing on them. 50 meters tall. Gardens by the Bay is the future. Singapore is always the future. The Supertrees change color at night. Blue, then purple, then gold. Singapore is magic at night. Real magic. Inside the cloud forest dome. A mountain with a waterfall inside a building. Cool mist on my face. After Singapore outside heat, this feels like standing inside a dream. A cool, wet dream. The Malayan. Half lion, half fish. This is the symbol of Singapore. I do the tourist photo. Yes, I'm a tourist. I'm proud. Every tourist must do this photo. So I do it. Singapore chili crab. The most famous Singapore food. My hands are orange. The sauce is everywhere. I wear a bib. It is delicious and very, very messy, and I love it completely. The bread, dipped in the chili crab sauce. Oh, this is the best part. Soft, warm bread and the spicy sauce. This is perfect. Perfectly perfect. Singapore wins. Jasmine needs flowers every day as a child. I smell them now for the first time. Auntie, do you recognize this man? Oh, I know this family. They lived on my street. You knew my grandfather. Such a connection after all these years. Auntie Kavita knew his family. He was real here. He sat on steps like this one. He smelled these flowers. I miss him. But today I am also very, very happy. Fresh curry leaves. My grandfather used curry leaves in every single dish he cooked. I smell them now and I am in his kitchen in London. The same smell. Here in Singapore. I cook grandfather's recipe in Singapore, in his city. Curry leaves in hot coconut oil. They spit. Ha! This sound, this smell, this is his kitchen sound. In Singapore now. Grandfather's rice. His recipe. Made with his spices in his city. I eat with my hand because he always ate with his hand. This taste is simple. And it is everything. The cable car over Sentosa. I look down at the port. So many container ships. Red, blue, yellow. Singapore is the biggest port in the world. From above, it looks like a giant, colorful puzzle. Sentosa Beach, warm sea, white sand, and even here on the beach I can see the container ships on the horizon. Singapore never stops working. Even the beach shows you the port. Huh. Satay by the bay, chicken satay on charcoal with thick peanut sauce. I eat outside under the sky, and behind me the Supertrees glow blue and purple. This is a perfect Singapore evening.
Singapore night safari, animals in the dark.
A giant fruit bat hangs right there. His eyes glow orange.
Huh! I am scared, then I laugh at myself. The bat does not care about me.
Floating breakfast in the hotel pool, dragon fruit so pink, mango so orange, sugarcane juice in a tall glass, and the Singapore skyline behind me. A food blogger's dream come true. Peranakan shophouses in Chinatown. These tiles are blue and white with flowers, so beautiful. The Peranakan people are Chinese and Malay together. Only Singapore has this special culture. I am not completely sure about this, but I will try it.
BBQ stingray on a banana list. But a food blogger, I'm nervous. But I'm going to find plant, please.
I wait. The fish is very soft. The sambal is spicy. I do not expect this. I eat everything. 1 Michelin star chicken rice, $3.50. Q worth it. This chicken rice has 1 Michelin star. The chicken hangs Michelin stars to gold and shiny, and it costs only $3.50. 1 Michelin star chicken rice for $3.50. The chicken is silky, the rice is fragrant, the ginger sauce is perfect. This is the best meal of my life. At a plastic table, in a hawker center, Singapore is extraordinary. For spicy. Then rich in coconut lumina. I taste the balda soup, every drop. Singapore laksa is incredible.
Oyster egg in the hot wok? Watch the flame! Whoa! Okay! The heat of the wok makes the food special. This flame is beautiful and scary and wonderful. Singapore cooking has real fire.
Fresh sugarcane juice. They press the sugarcane right here.
Cold and sweet and so refreshing.
After the hot wok and the spicy laksa, this cold green juice is perfect. Perfect. Durian, the king of fruits. The smell is very strong. I eat it anyway. A food blogger must be brave. The taste is sweet and creamy and also strange. I cannot find a word. You must try it. Once.
Mohai plus fine piece of bread to my life shim dice.
Singapore puts color in everything.
Singapore kopi, traditional coffee through a cloth sock filter.
The coffee uncle pulls us up is 60 years old. The same sock, the same recipe, the same taste. Kopio, black Singapore coffee. Grandfather Kian the same small cup, same Singapore. Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, a Chinese Buddhist temple in the middle of Chinatown. Singapore has Hindu temples and mosques and Buddhist temples and churches. All together, this is Singapore. Inside the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, golden Buddhas and red lanterns, and incense coals hanging from the ceiling. The smoke drifts up slowly. The temple is very quiet. I feel very calm. Day and night, Singapore is always beautiful. Singapore at night, Marina Bay sands, the Supertrees, the glass towers, and all of it reflected in the water below. I stand here and I think Singapore is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The orangutan looks directly at me. His eyes are very intelligent and very calm. We look at each other for a long time. I forget my camera. Some moments are bigger than photographs. Kaya jam to take back to London. Green pandan kaya and laksa paste and curry powder and muruku. I share Singapore with my family in London. Everything in this basket is grandfather's Singapore. Last day in Little India. The same jasmine garlands as my first morning here. I buy one for grandfather. I close my eyes. I smell the jasmine. Goodbye, grandfather's road. I will come back. Dear Tata, I found your road. I ate your food. I sat on your steps. Singapore gave me something I cannot describe. You gave me Singapore. Thank you, Tata. Departure in Tamil, Purapadu. The same sign as arrival, but now it says goodbye. I touch it one more time. Thank you, Singapore. Thank you for all of this.
Singapore from above at night.
Goodbye, Singapore. I carry you in my food memories forever. I write my Singapore blog post on the plane. Title, Singapore, I Found You, Tata. I write about every food, every smell, every taste. This story is for grandfather and for everyone. Singapore kaya in my London kitchen. The same green, the same taste. I eat Singapore kaya in London every morning now. Grandfather, I bring Singapore home. It is here now. I make Singapore laksa in my London kitchen. The orange color, the coconut same as Singapore. Almost. Nothing is exactly the same as Singapore. But this is close, and I'm happy.
Curry leaves in London Market. I think to take a similar. And grandfather's kitchen in London.
3 kitchens, 1 smell. This smell is my family. He is in the center. My planning board is now my memory board. He sent me there. He was there with me the whole time. Grandfather's tempered rice in my London kitchen. Same mustard seeds, same curry leaves, same sound, the spit and pop. I laugh the same laugh. He's in this sound. He's always here, in this sound. Grandfather's Singapore. And my Singapore. I understand him now. Food is memory. Thank you, Tata.